In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the WordPress Vimeo Embed block. If you've ever wanted to share your Vimeo videos directly on your WordPress site, but weren't quite sure how to do it, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through each step so you'll be embedding videos like a pro in no time. First, let's get started by heading over to Vimeo's website. Open up your web browser and navigate to vimeo.com. It's essential that you're logged into your Vimeo account, so if you aren't already, take a moment to fill in your credentials and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll need to find the video you want to embed. To do this, you can either search for it if you know its title, or browse through your library if it's a video you own. When you have your video in front of you, it's time to grab the video URL. Look for the share button, which is usually located below the video player. Click on it, and you should see an option to copy the video link. Go ahead and copy that link, we'll need it in just a moment. With our video URL copied, it's time to switch over to WordPress. Head into your WordPress dashboard where you manage your content. Once there, navigate to either your posts or your pages, depending on where you want your video to appear. Find the specific post or page you'd like to edit and open it up. Now that you're in the editor, it's time to add a Vimeo block. To do this, click on the plus sign, usually located in the upper left corner of the editor. This button allows you to add new blocks to your content. A search bar will appear, type Vimeo in there, and you should see the Vimeo block pop up. Click to add it to your post or page. With the Vimeo block in place, you'll notice a field that prompts you to paste your video URL. Remember the link you copied earlier? Now's the time to paste it into that field. Once you've pasted the URL, look for the Embed button, usually situated right below the URL field. A simple click on that button and voila, your video will appear directly in your WordPress post or page. Finally, you'll want to ensure everything looks just right. WordPress allows you to preview how your video will look once published. This is a great time to make sure the video is displaying and functioning as it should. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, you can go ahead and update or publish your post. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully embedded a Vimeo video into your WordPress site. Whether you're sharing your own creations or showcasing other amazing content, this method makes it seamless and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and happy embedding.